That's not the role of a vice president or a secretary of education to talk about China.
Pangulong Bongbong Marcos dinipensahan si VP Inday Sara Duterte sa kanyang pananahimik sa West Philippine Sea. Ayon sa Pangulong Bongbong Marcos, hindi trabaho ng Vice Presidente ang pagsagot sa issue patungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Panoorin natin ang video na ito kung saan dinipensahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos si Inday Sara Duterte.
That's not the role of a vice president or a secretary of education to talk about China. So I think we are all in line because I'm very sure that if Inday Sara had some very serious misgivings about what we are doing in terms of foreign policy, she will bring them to me. And wala naman ang pag pinag-uusapan nga namin, sinasabi niya, basta ako, trabaho lang ako ng trabaho. Sabi ko, well, that's a good policy. So